Hello everyone and welcome to Easy Spanish with Ed. In this video I want to focus on building basic sentences in Spanish. Let's start with these very common Spanish verbs. Some of these are irregular verbs, meaning that they have something irregular in their conjugations. In fact, I think all of the top 10 most frequently used Spanish verbs are irregular, so it's something that you get used to very quickly. Necesitar, to need, querer, to want, poder, can or to be able to, hacer, to do or to make. Necesitar is just a regular AR verb, and as a reminder, here are the conjugation endings for AR verbs in the simple present tense. O, has, a, amos, ais, han. Necesito, necesitas, necesita, necesitamos, necesitáis, necesitan. If the verb for to eat is comer and the word for something is algo, how would you say, I need to eat something? Necesito comer algo. Necesito comer algo. How would you say, they need to eat every day? And every day is todos los días. Necesitan comer todos los días. Necesitan comer todos los días. If the word for pen is bolígrafo, how would you say, he needs a pen? Necesita un bolígrafo. Necesita un bolígrafo. And remember that the conjugation for he and she are the same, so this could also be she needs a pen. It would be clear from the context of the conversation whether you were talking about he or she. And how would you say, we need to eat? Necesitamos comer. Necesitamos comer. And how about, do you need a pen? ¿Necesitas un bolígrafo? ¿Necesitas un bolígrafo? Querer is a stem-changing ER verb and it means to want. The E in the stem of the verb splits to IE in all the present tense conjugations except for vosotros and nosotros. Quiero, quieres, quiere, queremos, queréis, quieren. So how would you say, does she want to eat? ¿Quiere comer? ¿Quiere comer? And of course, this could also be, does he want to eat? Okay, now imagine we're in Spain. The word for what is que with an accent mark or tilde over the E. How would you say, what do you guys want to eat? ¿Qué queréis comer? ¿Qué queréis comer? Remember that the vosotros conjugations are used in Spain for the plural form of you, so you would use this to say you all or you guys. And then anywhere in Latin America, the same question would be, ¿Qué quieren comer? ¿Qué quieren comer? Because the ustedes conjugation is used for the plural form of you in Latin America. If the word for car is carro, or coche in Spain, and the word for new is nuevo, how would you say, I want a new car? Quiero un carro nuevo. Or in Spain, quiero un coche nuevo. If the verb for to go is ir, spelled I-R, how would you say, we want to go? Queremos ir. Queremos ir. And by this point, you certainly notice that I haven't used any pronouns like yo quiero or nosotros queremos, and that's because Spanish speakers do not use pronouns in daily conversation since the pronoun is implicit in the verb conjugation. For example, queremos only corresponds to nosotros or nosotras, so there's no need to say it because it's obvious. Now, sometimes you will see the pronouns used to add emphasis, but just remember that they are normally omitted. Poder is a stem-changing ER verb where the O in the stem splits to UE in all present tense conjugations except for vosotros and nosotros. Puedo, puedes, puede, podemos, podéis, pueden. Hacer, to do or to make, lo, it or him, eso, that. So how would you say, I can do it? Puedo hacerlo o lo puedo hacer. With the lo for it, you have two options. You can stick it on the end of an unconjugated verb or verb in its base form like hacer is in this sentence, or you can place it before the first conjugated verb. Both forms are correct. So how would you say, can they do it tomorrow? And the word for tomorrow is mañana. It would be, ¿pueden hacerlo mañana? And what's the other equally correct way to ask this? ¿Lo pueden hacer mañana? how would you say, we don't need that? No necesitamos eso. No necesitamos eso. Whenever you want to negate something in Spanish, simply place no in front of the verb. That said, how would you say, they can't do it tomorrow? No pueden hacerlo mañana, or no lo pueden hacer mañana. If you found this video at all helpful, please give it a like so that YouTube shows it to more people, and that will help grow the channel. And please don't forget to subscribe so you're notified when I upload new lessons. See you in the next one. Ciao.